What's up, guys? I'm here today because we're gonna do something different. We're gonna open up a pack a day for the next 7 days, and we're gonna start with this Darkness Ablaze today. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it. Make these short and sweet. Pack a day, 7 days, baby. Darkness Ablaze. All right, so we're here. We're gonna open this pack up right now. That'd be nice if we can get a Charizard, eh? Oh, that's not good. It's glued to the pack. The pack's glued, but it's okay. It's all right. It's all right, guys. It's all right. I think it's all right. We're gonna see. Okie dokie here. Okay, first card is Energy. Okay, we're gonna Spike Moose. Cape of Toughness. I need one of these capes. Vibrava. Bumblebee. It's a cool card. Toxel. Sinisty. Carablast. Meltan. Reverse Hollow Laron. And for the last card we got... Ooh, this is a beautiful card. Look at this. This is a... I don't know what it is, man, but it's a Colossal. It's like a golden Colossal. Golden Colossal. This is a good way to start off our 7 days pack a day with a Colossal. Let's get the light in here. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful card. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm going to give you a little bit of a close-up after this, but hit the like and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I open up Pokemon cards, and that's about it. I like to make some jokes sometimes too. So yeah, hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of packs you want me to open. I'll go grab them. But this is a dope card. Yeah, peace out, guys.